Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to improve productivity using Airtable and build a system that helps you stay organized, focused, and efficient in 2026. Start by creating a central base for your workflow. Add tables for tasks, projects, clients, or any key area of your work. Make sure each table has clear fields like priority, status, due date, owner, and notes. This structure allows you to track progress and responsibilities at a glance. Next, use views and filters to focus on what matters. For example, create a today's tasks view that shows only high priority items due today, or a completed projects view to review progress. Board, calendar, and grid views help you visualize workflows, deadlines, and team assignments effectively. To save time, add buttons and automations. Buttons can update task status, log completion, or move records between stages with a single click. Automations can send notifications, create recurring tasks, or update fields automatically. These features reduce manual work and keep your team aligned. You can also use linked tables and formulas to connect tasks with projects, calculate completion percentages, or track KPIs like revenue, task completion, or client engagement. Regularly review your base, archive outdated records, and refine workflows to maintain peak efficiency. That's it for today. If this guide helped you, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Airtable tutorials. Start using Airtable today to boost your productivity and manage your work smarter, faster, and more efficiently in 2026.